and welcome to my video. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling boxes to shopping hauls, and today I have Nadine West. So if you are interested in seeing these type of videos, then please subscribe below. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for watching and for coming back repeatedly. I really appreciate it. So let's get into it. Okay, so yes, Nadine West. What is this bag? I've never seen anybody have anything but like the usual bright pink ripply bag. So I was actually really surprised to see this. I don't know why I have a different bag today. Maybe they sent me so many things that they needed to put it in a different bag. I'm viewing it as a good thing that they're just sending me lots of stuff. So, yay. Okay, so if you don't know what Nadine West is, it's another styling service. They send you anywhere from like 2 to 7, 8 items. You can do it every 2 to 4 weeks, and they send you a mixture of clothing and jewelry. There's no styling fee, but you do pay shipping, $9.78. I do have a referral code below where you can get free shipping on your first box, plus some free earrings, I believe. I didn't realize I had a referral code, so this is actually the first time I'm doing this, even though this is like my 5th box. I don't know. So I'm signed up for every 2 weeks, but it takes like a month and a half to get me. I think they're just growing right now, and so they're a little bit behind on everything, and that's okay because I save money by not getting as many. So thank you, Nadine West, for taking a little bit longer. My wallet thanks you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here we go. I've got a bundle here of clothing awesomeness, different colors and patterns, and I think so far it looks awesome. So let's dig into it. Okay, first off, we have this long sleeve shirt. It's a dark olive color. That color is probably not showing up on camera, but it's a dark olive color with a couple black stripes on the sleeve. It is super comfortable as usual. This is by Bazzolo and has a little pocket here in the front. So I love this. I love a good, comfortable, long sleeve shirt. So I'm feeling really good about that. We'll do jewelry at the end. Next, we have 3/4 sleeve, like a turquoise and white shirt. Gosh, this is beautiful. It has the tab sleeves on it. Again, quite soft, and it's really beautiful. Now I have like this exact shirt in gray, but I wear it all the time and I wish it had more color to it. So this most likely will be added to my closet because I love my gray one. I know it's weird maybe to have the same shirt in multiple colors, but I love it, so it's happening. Okay, this is by DNA Couture. Okay, then we have this dress. It is kind of like a half sleeve dress, I would call it. It is kind of a brownish reddish color. I just don't know my color name, sorry guys. And it's got a rounded hem on the bottom, so I like that style. I don't know what I think of the actual pattern on the dress. It's a little bit louder than what I usually gravitate to, but we'll see. I might fall in love with it on. And then we have, looks like another dress. Yes. So this one is a short sleeve dress. This one is more like a light tan, almost blush color to it. Has these flowers on it and kind of looks more like a fit and flare type dress, which I've enjoyed. I have a navy one that looks probably exact same as this, it's just in navy, and I really love that. I wear that quite a bit. So, okay, I'm loving the clothes so far. Now let's do the accessories. I'm going to get them out of the bag and then show them to you. Okay, the accessories. So first off, we have these sunglasses. Let's go ahead and put these on. I had updated my style profile saying I don't need any sunglasses, but they still sent them. That's cool. I'm not going to keep them because I already have a pair and I really just don't need more than one pair, but they are cute. So if I didn't have a pair, I'd probably get these. And then we have these gold earrings, just a couple of double loops there. I think those are really cute. I really like these. So these may be keepers. And then we have a triple layer necklace. There you go, for you guys to see that. I have been wanting a layered necklace, so this is, and I've actually put it in like my note at the end when I'm putting in notes on each bag. I put it in at the end like, hey, next time I want to try a layered necklace, and so they finally sent me one. So that is awesome. I like it. I kind of pictured with a layered necklace, maybe like the layers would be a lot longer or something like that, but I still like it. All right, let's go ahead and try this stuff on. All right, first up we have the olive long sleeve shirt, and I love it. I'm keeping it. It fits great. It's super soft, super comfortable. I love a nice long sleeve shirt. I know I already said that, but I do really love long sleeve shirts. So this is definitely a keeper. Although I did have trouble figuring out what kind of pair of pants to wear with these. So any advice you guys could provide, that would be great. I had with a black pair, and then I just felt like I looked like a big dark blob. I went with this lighter gray, and I still kind of feel like it doesn't look super great. So any advice as far as what kind of bottoms I put with this would be great, because I'm keeping it. Okay, next up. Okay, next top is the turquoise and white top. Like I said, I've got the same thing in gray and I love it. And this is no different. I love it. I love the color of it. I think that's really beautiful. I think it looks great with some white jeans. So I definitely think that this is a keeper. So let's go ahead and try on the dresses. All right, well, hopefully, again, I don't blend into the couch too much. One of these days, I'm gonna get a better background than a maroon couch. That's a terrible background. I know that. I just don't have anything better right now. Okay, so this dress, yeah, it's not happening. I love it. I love the 3/4 sleeve. It fits well. I love the rounded hem of the bottom, but one, these slits go up way too high, and then two, you know, again, the bum situation is just too form-fitting there. So it's super comfortable. I really do like it. I also, the pattern is, it's like I just kind of want to move everything over like half an inch. It's off-centered. I think it's not meant to be centered, but it's just, there's like a clear line here and it should go in the middle. I don't know. I'm being ridiculous. But so there's a lot I love about this, but just like the bottom half is just a little bit not conservative enough for me. So, okay, let's try on the last dress. Oh, and this dress is by West Coast Love, and so is the next one. I'm pointing. It's sitting over there. Okay, this dress is, again, super comfortable. I've said that about everything in this Nadine West bag, because that's one of the things I love about Nadine West is it is comfortable clothing. So I think it feels great. It fits well. It's, you know, a good fit all the way around, top to bottom. I don't know that I'm like super excited about it. It's just like, yeah, that's a nice dress. I'd wear it occasionally. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about this one, and I don't really have an explanation other than it's like I'm just not obsessed. So I don't know. It probably depends on the prices. I just realized that I forgot to put on the necklace, so I just went and put it on real quick. So the earrings I think are super cute. I really like these, and the necklace I like. It's just, when I wanted a layered necklace, I was picturing a longer one. So, again, on the fence. I think some of these things just depend on if the price is right. Which segues to, let's go over the prices. Okay, this is the rugby shirt in olive. It is $17.49, keeping. The Karen shirt, it is in jade and it is $23.49, keeping. The Kaleidoscope dress, it is $32.99, not keeping because it was not conservative enough in the bottom half. So like I said, not keeping. This dress is $26.99. This is the Anna dress, and I don't think I'm going to keep it. I just have a general lack of excitement over it. So the earrings, this is called the Holding On earring. It is $13.99. I think I'm keeping these. The necklace is the Kayla's Love, and it is $21.99. I am not going to keep this. And the sunglasses are the Heat Wave sunglasses, and they are $12.99. Not keeping because I just don't need them. So I'm really happy with the couple of shirts that I'm keeping. I love Nadine West for what they provide. I have other style boxes to provide higher quality, high-end clothing. I view Nadine West as providing some cheaper clothing items, but they're always super comfortable, and you gotta be willing to wait a little bit longer than for your boxes than you expect to wait. But other than that, I enjoy Nadine West. So again, if you're interested in trying it, I have my referral code below so you can get some free shipping and earrings. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.